Good day, this is our activity 1 entitled Video Tutorial of VMware Installation. For this video, I'm going to show you a video tutorial on how to download, install, and set up the VMware. Anyways, I'm Angelo Esponsalan from BSIT4B. So the first step that we need to do is to go to Google Chrome and search for VMware Workstation Download. And then click the first link na lilitaw. And then nandito na tayo sa official website ng VMware. And then scroll down. May makikita po tayong dalawang choices to be download. First is Workstation 17 Pro for Windows and Workstation 17 Pro for Linux. So since I'm using Windows, so I will gonna download the Workstation 17 Pro for Windows. Click lang po yung download now. So just to make this video short, I downloaded it already. Punta lang po tayo sa file. So download, and then click natin yung download natin na file. Then mag-start na po tayo mag-setup. Next. And then click lang po natin yung I accept the terms in the license agreement. And then meron po ditong button na change kung gusto mo ilipat yung location ng file mo. Then click lang po natin yung next. Next. Then next. Then install. And then click lang po natin yung finish, and then we can go now to our desktop view, and then click natin yung VMware Workstation Pro na dinownload po natin. And then that's it po. You can now create a new virtual machine. So our next agenda po, I will discuss the VMware Workstation 17 Pro new features. So there are 5. The first one is auto start virtual machines, new guest operating system support, new virtual trusted platform module 2.0, new pull or pass encryption, and lastly support for WDDMI. And there is also a pros and cons in VMware Workstation 17 Pro. So the pros are cost-effective software, entire test environment is low budget, adding and selecting a new virtual machine is easy, fast rollback features, and multiple OS allowed. And for the cons, need handling skills, not best for complete physical product testing, lack of reliability, and lastly, low performance. And that's it po. Thank you for watching.